Alright, what is up, money fam? So today I've got not one, not two, but four penny stocks for you to add to your watch list that could potentially make you a whole lot of money. So be sure to stay to the end to check them all out. If you haven't hit the subscribe button, do me a favor and smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you'll be informed of potential penny stocks to add to your watch list that could give you massive gains. Do also hit the like button to turn it into a beautiful blue. Not gonna waste any more time, let's get right into it. So the first penny stock we're covering is SESN Bio, ticker symbol SESN. On Wednesday, shares of SESN stock shot up by around 15% by midday trading. In the past 6 months, the penny stock is up by more than 110%. So why this big gain in a relatively short period of time? Well, to understand this, let's first take a look at what SESN Bio does. So the company operates as a late-stage clinical biopharmaceutical company working on treatments for cancer. So the company's lead product, known as Vicinium, is currently in a phase 3 trial to see its efficacy in treating bladder cancer. In addition, the company has several other drugs that are in its pipeline. A few weeks ago, SESN Bio submitted a completed biologics license application to the FDA for Vicinium. The CEO of SESN Bio, Dr. Thomas Cannell, stated that there remains a significant unmet need for high-risk NMIBC, and we believe the differentiated clinical profile of Vicinium will provide best-in-class option for physicians and their patients. Our strong non-clinical and clinical data, in addition to our positive comparability data, give us confidence in the regulatory path forward. While COVID has had an impact on daily operations at SESN Bio, it seems as though the company has managed to continue moving forward. With this approval process currently underway, SESN Bio could be one of the biotech names to note right now, so be sure to put this onto your watch list. Now before we go to the next penny stock, be sure to stay to the end of the video as I have a little surprise for you at the end as well. Next penny stock we're covering is OPKO Health, ticker symbol OPK. While there have been plenty of things to track with OPKO, the last few quarters have seen several key milestones for the company. In the first 9 months of 2020, OPK reported that revenue shot up by around 50%. The company worked early on to move into the COVID testing space. In September, the company's bioreference labs began working with New York City to COVID-19 PCR test principals, teachers, and staff in preparation for a safer back-to-school environment. However, the more recent focus of traders has been on the company's involvement with Pfizer and the somatrogon growth hormone treatment. Earlier this week, the two announced that the FDA accepted their regulatory submission for the treatment. Now it's going to come down to the Prescription Drug User-Free Act action. The action date of this isn't set until October of this year. However, it does give something for traders to keep a watchful eye on throughout the year. Next week, the company participates in the JP Morgan Healthcare Conference to kickstart the 2021 Investor Conference season, and OPKO will be presenting on Wednesday, so be sure to add this to your watch list as it could explode at any time. Now, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, do me a favor and smash the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so I can continuously keep you updated on these stocks for you to add to your watch list. Next penny stock is Supercom Limited, ticker symbol SPCB. This is a tech company that is working in several unique industries. On one hand, Supercom works as a provider of digital and traditional identity solutions. This includes a portfolio of products that boost safety, identification, and security for government agencies and private organizations. On the other hand, the company is working in the biometrics industry, providing advanced technology to industries such as health, homeware, security, and more. Supercom has a long history of providing these products and continues to offer some of the best-in-class security solutions to its customers. On December 9th, Supercom Limited secured a contract in the Southeast US, and this contract pertains to its PureTrace GPS smartphone product, and it's popular across a large range of government bodies in the US. This product utilizes biometrics, voice communication, and secure messaging to provide a novel security suite for various agencies to utilize. On January 5th, the company announced that Ordan Trabelsi would become the new president and CEO of Supercom. Ari Trabelsi, the current CEO of the company, states that this is an exciting time for Supercom, where we see momentum throughout the world and great opportunity for future growth. I'm delighted to see Auden take leadership of the company. His successful experience growing the company's business in the US from less than 100,000 to over 10 million in annual revenues, our largest revenue and operations region, makes him a natural fit to lead the company in the coming years as it continues its expansion. So you can see how the new CEO is well decorated to lead this company. So the last penny stock I got for you today is Organics Inc., ticker symbol OGEN. So the company is currently working on the production of its TerraCoV-2 vaccine candidate, and the goal of this is to develop new vaccines and treatments to help fight against COVID. Obviously, this area of the biotech industry is quite saturated at this point, but with COVID cases still rising dramatically, there's no shortage of interest on stocks with exposure to this segment of the market. Recently, Organics embarked on a fundraising plan to help provide new capital for the research and development of this vaccine. Last week, it announced that it had closed on a direct offering of 14.44 million shares of common stock. With this, it closed the $6.5 million funding round. The company states that these funds will go directly to the preclinical development of its COVID-19 vaccine as well as for its other programs. Additionally, Organic stated that with this funding, it should be able to complete various preclinical studies by the first quarter of this year. If all goes in a timely manner, Organics explained that it should initiate a phase 2 or 3 trial by the end of this year. In an industry that's currently moving at light speed, Organics is one of the many moving parts in the fight against COVID and is definitely a stock to add to your watch list. Alright, so I said I was gonna do 4 stocks, but I've decided to add in a bonus stock for those that have stayed till the end of the video. So this is a stock which I believe have the potential to 3x very soon and have been advocating for some time. And this stock is none other than Atossa Therapeutics, ticker symbol ATOS. So, Atossa is a biopharmaceutical company specializing in unmet needs in the medical field. This includes a focus on both breast cancer and COVID-19. Atossa recently announced preliminary results from a phase 1 study regarding its drug AT301. This is a nasal spray used in fighting COVID. The drug can be administered at home, which is a major breakthrough for COVID patients and hospitals alike. Stephen Key, CEO of the company, stated that we have completed all dosing in this study and we have now evaluated the blinded safety and tolerability data from all participants. There were no serious adverse events, no discontinuations, and only one subject of the 32 subjects in the study experienced adverse effects that were considered moderate in severity. Again, its position in the COVID niche means that Atossa has experienced a heightened amount of popularity in the past few months. The company went on to mention that it is working to find partners who are also developing COVID-related products. With these partnerships, it should be able to offer its therapy at the time a patient tests positive for the virus. While we have to consider that because this treatment is still in phase 1 trials and that it may take a while to see results, ATOS is definitely still one of the best biotech penny stocks to watch for in early 2021. So thanks for staying to the end of this video. Please hit the subscribe button and notification bell and drop this video a like as well so that I can continuously bring you more content and more penny stocks that you can add to your watch list, which will potentially give you massive gains. With that, goodbye and see you.